Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're tackling a super useful skill in Power BI, how to quickly switch a data source without having to recreate any of your visuals. Imagine you've built a full polished report, maybe a bar chart showing sales by year, using an initial Excel test file. Now it's time to go live, and you need to seamlessly point that report to the final production version of the data. This is where knowing how to change the source path becomes essential by selecting Data Source Settings. We use this specific menu because it is the central location for managing the underlying connection strings and paths for every source in your report, independent of your visuals. Next, we'll identify and initiate change. A window will pop up listing all the sources connected to your model. This could be a local Excel file, a SQL database, or a web link. Select the specific source you want to update, and then click the Change Source button located at the bottom. Next, you have to specify the new path. A Change Source window will appear, displaying the current old file path or connection string. Click Browse and carefully navigate to your new replacement file. This is a critical point. You must ensure the replacement file has the same table names and column headers as the original, otherwise your subsequent Power Query transformation steps will break. Once you've selected the correct finalized file, click OK to confirm the path update. Next, you'll have to execute the update. After confirming the new path, you'll be returned to the Data Source Settings window. You must then click Apply Changes. This final crucial step forces Power BI to rerun all of your existing Power Query steps, all your filters, merges, and cleaning operations, but this time it executes them against the data found at the new source location. That's it. Power BI has now referenced the new file. Your visuals, like your bar chart, remain completely intact, and the report automatically refreshes itself to display the accurate content from the newly linked file. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.